My dear technicians, you are welcome to my new video. This is a Bluetooth speaker Zealot S61 PCB in my hand, as you can see. And today I want to show you the easiest way how you can fix the charging port. You can see they have already tempered with the charging port. There were a lot of glue on the PCB before I have to clear everything out because it was not even fixed properly, and the charging port they put was the regular flat pin, and the one meant for this PCB is the type C. So now I'm going to show you the easiest way how you can fix this charging port, because the board itself does not have a hose for the legs of the charging port. So I'm going to show you the best way you can do this. So now I'm connecting the positive of the charging port now, because I've connected the negative to the main body of the charging port. So now I'm connecting the positive using a wire now as my jumper. I want to make sure it is well connected so that it doesn't removed. So please take your time whenever you are doing a work to make it perfect. All right, so please take your time. It's done now. You can see it is well connected now. So that is the positive line of the type C, and this other side is the negative. Okay, the negative, I connected it to the directly to the body of the charging port, so that once you mount it on the PCB, it is good to go. So now let me clean up the PCB a little with my razor. You can see there are no legs. None of the legs are on the ground. You can see all the legs are peeled off. So I'm using a glue now. This is going to serve as a hold for the charging port. You can see this is going to serve as a hold. You can see. So now let's put it on it. Let's put it on it. Let's put it on it now. You can see I want to make sure it is well positioned. The glue have dried just now. So I want to make sure it is well aligned. I want to make sure it is well aligned. You see? Okay, I want to make sure it is well aligned so that I doesn't do a double work. Can you see that is well aligned? So let me wait a little for it to dry. Okay, you can see. You can see. So I want to make sure it is dried. Okay, so now let me align it with the casing and see that it is fitting. You can see it is okay. You can see. So now I'm going to connect my positive. You can see. Let's connect our positive. This is a positive. You can see. You can see. So now I'm going to use another wire and connect the negative now. I want to use. So let me apply my lead to the charging port to the body, because remember I've told you that I've connected the negative to the body. So now let me jump out the negative from the body now to the ground of the PCB. You can see. Okay, can you see? So now let's connect. I don't want to make use of the resistor, so I'm connecting it straight to the ground. Connecting it straight. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? I'm done connecting. So now I'm going to test it for you now to see if it is working or not. So let's power it on. Let's power it on. Can you see? You can see that it is working. Can you see? It is working. It is working. My dear technicians, is working. So now I'm going to apply some glue. This is my 4 minutes adhesive. You can see I'm mixing them up now. I'm mixing the gum. So let me make sure it is well mixed before applying it. Okay, make sure it is well mixed so that it will work effectively. You can see, apply it. Please be careful and make sure it doesn't go inside. Please be careful. Be careful, my dear technicians. Be careful. Okay, be careful. Be careful. Okay, I will soon be done. I want to make sure it does not go inside the charging port. Otherwise, it will condemn the charging port. So you can see I'm almost done. I'm almost done. So now let's wait for it to dry and then we are good to go. So you can see it is well applied. It didn't enter inside. Okay, can you see? You can see. Thanks for watching. You can see it has dried. So now this is after the coupling. You can see I've coupled everything. You can see that it is perfectly working. Can you see that? My dear technicians, thank you for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye bye for now.